Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram content using Canva AI. Let's get started. First, open the Canva on your browser. Next, click Create a Design and choose Instagram Post or Instagram Story. Then here you can use the magic design by entering your idea or uploading an image. The Canva AI will instantly generate a ready-to-made Instagram designs. You can choose template that you like and customize it by editing text and captions, colors and fonts, elements and images. You can also use the magic right to quickly generate captions or content ideas. Create multiple designs in one session to save time and stay consistent. Once done, click download or post directly to your Instagram account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.